I also have somebody that is very little. And he feel the Talawa. He's just about 4 feet tall.
Wow.
But he makes drinks. He creates cocktails.
Amazing.
Talawa cocktails.
Talawa cocktails.
Talawa
That's what we talk
cocktails.
about.
Welcome, put your hands together for Tyrone Benjamin.
Hello.
Hi,
Pleasure to meet
love. Same here.
Yes. So I'm going to be creating a cocktail here, a nice martini style cocktail, and it's going to be frozen martini style.
Ooh.
Right, so let me get right into it. I'm going to be using some vodka. I hope you like vodka.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
That's actually my favorite in terms of alcohol.
You do?
Yeah,
you're a vodka girl?
I'm a vodka girl.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good choice, Tyrone.
So good choice,
Good
right?
choice.
Yeah, we went
Good
with
choice.
that.
We want to have a good start.
So good choice. I can do a good bit. Yeah.
But of course.
Yeah!
You're celebrating, right?
You're going straight home after this.
Yeah.
All right. So I have the vodka there, and to that I'm going to be adding some lollies. Right. This is actually cream soda lollies, or we know it as vanilla flavored lollies. Right. So I'm going to chop this and add this straight into the drink. Actually.
I really loved the lollies when I was a child because you know they used to be passing, and once you hear the bell, you'd run outside.
Exactly. That's one of the fun childhood
Never thought
memories.
you'd have had it in a
I
cocktail,
never
huh?
thought I'd be drinking it out of
In
a cocktail. though.
yeah.
So after that, I have here, this is called an oleo saccharum, where you take Portugal skin
Right.
and lemon skin, and you put fresh sugar in it. And after 24 hours to 48 hours, you get something like this. The oils actually, the sugar pulls out the oils, and you get a nice, the sweet and the citrus flavors, right?
Wow.
So
What
this
do,
is,
what do you call it again?
it's called oleo saccharum.
Wow.
It's a kind of Spanish name. So I'm going to be adding 1 ounce for the 2 cocktails.
So can I smell?
Of course. Yeah.
You know, we like to sniff.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So it's that deep
Wow.
aroma of citrus, you know? It's different. So we have that there, and I'm going to actually just blend this. So that's a nice combination there. Jude, just do me a favor, I have 2 glasses frozen there. Just assist me. So that's a nice little trick too. When the glasses are frozen, the drink stays colder longer, right?
Yeah, I know about
So
that.
yeah.
I know about that trick.
So like if you're having a nice martini or cosmopolitan, you know?
But you sound like you experiment with some cocktails.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My husband and I, we like to do that. Like
Right.
on a Sunday, we like to experiment with.
Serious?
Yeah, with cocktails. I think he made one like about 2 days ago.
So there's a martini style, and I'm actually gonna add some apple, bubbly.
Ooh.
All right, you get that apple martini kind of feel.
Okay, nice.
Right, alongside with the citrus, and I'm just gonna garnish it now. Just a little apple slices.
How long have you been doing drinks?
I've been mixing almost 10 years now,
Wow.
And
Yeah.
He just turned 12.
and I just yeah.
Just turned 12. He just above the counter.
Correct. Yes.
And he had a son. Got married.
Got mine.
Congratulations.
All it is 12 years.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. So we have the apple farm, and I'm just gonna add a nice fresh citrus. And one more thing, I'm gonna
Ooh.
do a little extra flair.
It's fire. See it coming there?
So a little fire. Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Very little boy Talawa.
Wow.
And it will add a little flavor as well
A little
as
smoky
aroma.
flavor.
Yes.
Wow.
I don't know any other name to name this, but little but Talawa. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
To your journey, my baby.
Thank you, darling.
Cheers. Cheers. Mm.
Wow.
Whoa.
It's good.
Well, it is real good though.
It really is.
Yes.
It really is. It's very it's just as you described, Tyrone. Very refreshing.
Very refreshing.
Mm. You and I could make this.
No,
this
I
weekend
like.
with Joe.
I don't know if I can make it as good as him.
Yeah, but you could try.
I could try.